Guys, today, let's learn how to get paid in TikTok in 2022. You actually need to have an account with, well, sufficient followers as well, and you also need to apply as a business account. So I don't know where to settings and privacy, and over on your account, manage account over here, and then you should click on right here on account control. Since I'm already using a business account, you could actually click over here. It should say for you guys. For those who are currently using a personal account, you guys should see switch to business account. So once you click on that, of course, it's going to give you a prompt on what kind of business account you are trying to, and to use as, of course, a business. And since you do want to monetize yourself and get paid on TikTok, that is one of the first things that you should do. Of course, you should also verify all of your relevant account information and at least have a few thousand followers at least. And also, you should actually, be consistent in posting some stuff on TikTok and also some relevant stuff that could be funny, some stuff that could be really relatable onto some people, and also very timely and, of course, funny. Basically, you should just be active on TikTok. And of course, once you have that done, you could actually head onto the business suite, could also promote your TikToks if you'd like to. You could also have to head on to the Business Creative Hub and stuff like that and share your feedback with them and basically look at the trending stuff over here. And you could also hop on the trend so that you may be relevant. Okay guys, that is how you get paid on TikTok in 2023. Please subscribe to this channel again.